Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of this smartwatch BSW002 from the brand Fire BoLTT. So let's get started. Now this is a smartwatch from the brand Fire BoLTT. You can see the product image here. And it comes with 1.69 inches big size HD full touchscreen. It also comes with a rotating button, and you can also check your SpO2. You can monitor your oxygen levels with this. Not only that, it comes with 500 nits peak brightness. That's quite a number. Plus, you can also measure your SpO2. Like I said, it is IP67 waterproof. So, if some water gets splashed over your watch, or by mistake, if you take the watch under water or something, still your watch will work fine because it's protected. It has this dynamic heart rate. You can monitor that. Multiple watch faces, multi-sports modes. Now, that's again a good thing. So, if you're into sports and all, you must have this watch. Here you can not only do your music control, your sleep monitoring, your message reminder and camera control also. Now it comes in various colors. You can see the images here. It's black, pink, blue and white. Right now I'll be doing unboxing of the color blue. So let's open, and this is how it looks. Very nice, stylish. And let me take this out with the watch. Let's check what all things come inside the box. So this is the charger for the watch. You get a user manual which talks about all the features in detail. Plus you get a thank you card from the brand. You get some subscription from this Ghana, 3 months free music. You get this again for some app and free Z5 premium subscription. So all this is included. Now let's see the watch first. This is how it looks. I really like the color. It's called powder blue, very different shade of blue. And let me remove the sticker so that you can see the dial. It's 1.69 inches. Okay. And you just have this one button to access the watch. To switch it on, to go on to the home page, you just have to press this button. The touch and feel of the product is nice. It's soft. So even if you wear this while running, cycling, working out, you won't feel any pressure on your hand. In fact, not only the strap is blue in color, in fact the side of the watch also you can see it's nice dark blue, and of course you get different loops so that you can adjust it according to your wrist. So yes, this was it in the unboxing video. You get the main watch, you get the charger, you get various documents, and that is it. And you can do various things like you can take calls, you can control your music, camera control, plus you will get like reminders for your messages. And you can monitor your SpO2, your heart rate, everything with this watch. It comes in various colors also, and you get warranty from the brand. I hope you enjoyed unboxing of this video. Stay tuned in for more.